All right, here we've got a commercial grade 3-point hookup side mount mower. Just come in. It does have a small 1000 BTO. We cabled it to the machine so it didn't fall off when we were moving it. See, 3-point hookup. There's a cylinder. It's got a cable deal on it. You can adjust things. I don't know exactly what all that is, but it isn't locked up right now with the bolt. And so that's got the tension off of it, and you raise it off, I'd say all this takes, you may have to adjust things, I don't know, but it's hydraulic drive. Looks like it's got some new hoses and stuff on it. It's got this, it's self-contained, so it's PTO driven to do that, and there's the tank. It does have non-factory welds all over the place. You know, this has been redone, this 3-point. It's got like category 3 pins in it, but I would say you could change that, put smaller pins, but you don't want this on too small of a tractor, okay? The deck does have some places where the blades got up into it. It does have a stump jumper on it. That looks like it's in good shape. I would say this thing's mainly done grass, but you know how it is. They get up into something. They occasionally, but the stump jumper looks really good. Blades aren't all beat up. Just got a couple little places in the deck. Does have another hydraulic, so it hydraulic drives here, puts the fluid out, runs it out to that motor, as far as I know. Buy it, like it. Hopefully you can make everything work on your tractor. But we're gonna sell it absolute on Tractor House Auction. This is a Tiger. We just found the tag on the deck. We'll have a picture of it the best we can. We'll load it for you, it's not a problem.